What is it? Same shot. I pass this place every time I come into my parents' house, and I've always wanted to get a really good picture with it, and I can't believe that I just randomly like come here and I get the picture. So with Mamatis clouds too, it's not crazy lightning bolt just strike right over there right now. Sun's about to pop out. I'm gonna head towards my house now and see if this Mamatis clouds stay active or whatever the other word is, but I'm glad I got this shot. I'm gonna call it a day just because I don't know, I did enough for today. I got a goal yesterday in hockey too. Went bar down for the first time on a breakaway, so that was super sick. So to have a day like this for photography it's like top-notch weekend. Well, today's Monday, but technically my weekend, it was top-notch for sure. And first storm chase in like 2 years, and came out with some awesome photos, and I can't wait to share them.